Chapter 2, ninth class. Polynomials and Factorization. Exercise 2.2. Second one, find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. See, this is given. Solution. Put x equals to 0. Take this one in 1. That means P of 0, x equals to 0, P of 0, 0 square minus 0 plus 1, isn't it? That is equals to 0 square means 0 minus 0 plus 1, 0 minus 0 0. Finally we got P of 0 value is how much? P of 0 value is 1. We got P of 0 value is 1. Next, put x equals to 1 in equation 1. We get, that means P of 1 that equals to 1 whole square minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. That means P of 1 is equals to 1 whole square means 1 into 1. Therefore P of 1 is equals to 1. This is the P of 1. Next, P of 2. Put x equals to 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is this one. That means P of 2 that equals to 2 whole square minus 2 plus 1, isn't it? Now P of 2 is equals to 2 whole square means 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 1. Now P of 2 is equals to 2 to the 4 minus 2 plus 1. Now P of 2 is equals to 4 minus 2. So bigger value having a positive sign, so that's why plus 2 plus 1. Now P of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 means 3. What we got P of 2 value? 2 plus 1 means 3. Now take the second question. P of y equals to 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube. Now take this is equation 1. Now put x equals to 0 in equation 1. We get P of 0. Sorry, here is y. Variable is y. There is no x. So y equals to 0. Every time variable is y. So y equals to 0. Now that equals to 2. In the place of y, put 0. Here 2, 0 whole square minus 0 whole cube. Now P of 0 is equals to 2 plus 0 over 2 into 0, 0. Next plus is not there, here is minus 0 cube is 0. So now P of 0 is, these are eliminated, so value P of 0 value is 2, isn't it? Now put x equals to 1, sorry, x is not there in this variable y equals to 1 in equation 1. See here, P of 1 equals to 2 plus, in the place of y we put 1 plus 2 1 whole square minus 1 whole cube, isn't it? Now this can be written as, here is 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 into 1 square means, 1 square means what? 1 into 1, that is equals to 1. 1 cube means what? 1 into 1 into 1. 1 multiplied by 3 times, that is also 1, isn't it? Now this can be written as P of 1 equals to 2 plus 1 means 3 plus 2 into 1 square means 2. Next, minus 1 cube means minus 1. Now 2 minus 1, this becomes P of 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 becomes 1. Now P of 1 equals to what? 4. Now put y equals to 2 in equation 1. Now P of 2 equals to 2 plus 2 whole square. Sorry, there is no square in the first term. Y means see your equation 2 plus y, isn't it? Now plus 2 into 2 whole square minus 2 whole cube. See here 2 whole square. 2 whole square means 2 multiplied by 2 times 2 into 2, that becomes 4. 2 whole cube. 2 whole cube means 2 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. Isn't it? This value is 8. This value is 4. Now P of 2 equals to this 2 plus 2 4. 2 plus 2 4 plus this 2 into 2 square value is 4 minus 2 cube value is how much? 2 cube value is 8. See here 2 4s are 8. So this plus 8 minus 8 cancel. Therefore P of 2 equals to 4. All of you understood this? 2 4s are 8. So plus 8 minus 8 cancel. Therefore P of 2 equals to 4. Here take this equation 1. Put z is equals to 0 in 1. Here variable is z. Now P of 0 is equals to 0 cube. 0 cube means 0 multiplied by 3 times. That is also 0 multiplied by any times, that becomes 0. Therefore P of 0 is equals to 0. Isn't it? Now put z equals to 1 in equation 1. This one. Now P of 1 equals to 1 cube. So 1 cube means 1 multiplied by 3 times. 1 into 1. 1. 1 into 1. 1. 1 only. Now P of 1 equals to 1. Isn't it? Next. Now put z equals to 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 means what? P of z is equals to z cube. Isn't it? Now P of 2 is equals to 2 cube. See here 2 cube means 2 multiplied by 3 times. That means 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. So P of 2 is equals to 8. We got it. Now next question. See, take this equation 1. Put here variable is t equals to 0 in 1. That means P of 0 is equals to 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. In the place of t we are putting 0. P of 0 is 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Here is plus 1. That means P of 0 minus into plus minus, so 1 into 1 1 minus 1, so P of 0 value is minus 1 in this case. Now put t equals to 1 in equation 1. Now P of 1 equals to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Now P of 1 minus 1 means 0 into 1 plus 1 means 2. 0 into something 0. So P of 1 value is 0 into 2 means 0. What we got? P of 1 value 0, isn't it? Now next term. Now put t equals to 2 in equation 1. That means P of 2 equals to 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. Now P of 2 equals to 2 minus 1 becomes 1 into 2 plus 1 means 3. Now P of 2 value is 3. Take the next question. That means P of x equals to x square minus 3x plus 2. Take this equation 1. Put x equals to 0 in equation 1. Now P of 0 is equals to 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 2. Now P of 0 is equals to 0 square means 0. 3 into 0 means minus 0 plus 2. Now P of 0 is equals to, these are gone. So P of 0 value is here 2. Next, now put x equals to 1 in equation 1. We get P of 1 equals to 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. Now P of 1 equals to 1 square. 1 into 1 means 1. Minus 3 ones are 3 plus 2. Now P of 1 is equals to, add these two. 2 plus 1 means 3 minus 3, that equals to 0. Therefore P of 1 equals to 0. We got, isn't it? Now put x equals to 2 in equation 1. We know equation. That means P of 2 is equals to, in the place of x means 2 square, isn't it? 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2, isn't it? Now P of 2 is equal to 2 square means 2 into 2 minus 3 2 is 6 plus 2. Now P of 2 is equals to 2 2 4 minus 6 plus 2. Now P of 2 is equals to, add these two. 4 plus 2 means 6 minus 6. Now P of 2 is equal to 6 minus 6 means 0. So finally we got answer is 0. Understood all of you? Thank you one and all.